3.4. Question number 4. Calculate the radius and the diameter of each circle. So you have been given some circles and you have been given in some circles you have been given radius, in some circles you have been given diameter. So the first circle, as you can see, that we have been given a radius because it is joining from center to the one point of the boundary. So this is a radius. Now you can see that 36 centimeter is written. So we will say that radius is equals to 36 centimeter. So radius is equals to 36 centimeter. We have discussed in last class that diameter is the half of radius. Okay, diameter is the half of radius. Half means that whatever diameter we have, we have to divide it by 2 so that we can get the radius. So if we have to find out the diameter, so what we are going to do is we have to multiply this radius with 2. Okay, because double of radius is diameter. So radius you are going to multiply by 2. Okay, whatever radius is given to you, you have to multiply by 2 so that you can get the diameter. So 36 is the radius and you will multiply by 2 and you will get 2 6 the 12, 2 1 up, 2 3 the 6 plus 1 77. So your diameter is equals to 72 centimeters. Now in second questions, you have been given an 8 centimeter diameter. As you can see, a longest line segment that passes from the center and join 2 points of the boundary is called diameter. So now it is passing from the center and it is joining 2 points. So that's why we are going to say diameter, and this is of 8 centimeter. So we are going to write diameter is equals to 8 centimeter. Now we have to find out the radius. Radius is equals to half of diameter. So we are going to divide it by 2. Radius is equals to diameter divided by 2. These two formulas, diameter is equals to radius multiplied by 2 and radius is equals to diameter divided by 2. These two formulas you have to learn. So diameter is equals to 8 and divided by 2, 8 divided by 2 is equals to 4. So your radius is equals to 4 centimeter. Question number C will remain homework for you, for your people. Okay. Now we are going to start with our question number 5. Look at all the circles and answer the question. So this is the circle given to you, and what you have to do is you have to find out the answers. Name all the shown radii and diameter of the circle. So here we have to see that which one is the diameter and which one is the radius. Okay, so now let me find out the radius first. Firstly, we have to go to the center. Whenever you have to find out the diameter radius, you should go to the center, because radius also touches the center and diameter also touches the center. So our center here is O. Now we have to find out which line segments are joining the center and one boundary, that is radius. So OT, OS, OR, OQ, OU, ON is the radius. Okay, OQ, ON, OT, OS, OR, OU is the radius. Okay, now we have to find out the diameter. So diameter here is TU, passing from the center joining two line segments. Okay, and RN. These two diameters are there only. Okay, RN or NR you can write, or UT or NT you can write, because this is the center. It is passing from the center and joining 2 points of the boundary. Okay. Now if NR is equals to 10 centimeter long, what is NR? You can see NR is a diameter. Now he says the diameter is equals to 10 centimeter long. What is the length of OQ and OS? So now OQ and OQ and OS is both the radius, both are radius. So radius is equals to, if you have to find out the radius, so what you are going to do is you are going to divide the diameter by 2. So OQ or OS, you are going to divide it by 2. 10 divided by 2 is equals to 5 centimeter. 10 divided by 2 is equals to 5 centimeter. So this is the diameter given to you people, and you simply have to divide it by 2 and then you will get the length of OQ and OS. That's what we have done earlier also. If the length of ON is 5 centimeter, now ON, what is ON here? ON is a radius. ON is equals to 5 centimeter, and he says what is the length of OT? What is the length of OT? I have already told you this thing, that whenever we are talking about a radius of a circle, so all the radius of the circle will be equal. Okay, then it means that OQ, OT, OS, OR, OU, ON all will have same length, because it is joining from the center and center is at fixed point and it is equidistant to the any point of the boundary. So all the radius will be equal and all the diameters will also be equal in length. So they both are radius, so that's why they will have equal lengths. Now the next part is the distance from the center of the circular swimming pool to any point on the on its boundary is called 15 centimeters. So center to any point its boundary is 15 centimeter. What is the diameter of the pool we have to find? So the same type of question is given, only this is given in word problem. So we are going to do it like this. Yes. So here the distance from the center of the circular swimming pool to any point of the boundary is equals to radius. It will become radius, okay, because it says center to any point of the pool, okay. So that's why we are going to say 15 meters. Now diameter is equals to 15 multiplied by 2. Diameter we have to find out, so diameter is equals to 15 multiplied by 2. So we got diameter here 30 meters. Now the next question that we have is, the diameter of the wheel of the bicycle is 120 centimeter. What is the radius of the wheel in the millimeters? Now millimeters we have to find out. So now the diameter of the wheel of the bicycle is 120 centimeter, it is given. We have to find out the radius first. So radius of the wheel is equals to radius divided by 2, that is 120 divided by 2. So 120 divided by 2 will be equals to 60. Now 60 centimeter we have to change into millimeters. 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeters. 60 centimeter multiply by 10, then we will get 600 millimeters. So our radius is equals to 600 millimeters. You have to learn this thing, that 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter. So when you will multiply 60 with 60 centimeter with, you have to change into millimeter. When you are going from bigger to smaller, you always have to multiply. So that's why 60 will multiply by 10 and your answer will be 600 millimeters. Okay students, I hope that you have understood this exercise. Bye bye.